Hello everyone. Welcome to Study Vibes Education. Daily important vocabulary words. 9th July 2021. 1. Embark. 1. Meaning go on board a ship or aircraft. Begin a course of action. Synonyms: begin, commence, initiate. 2. Ambush. Noun. Meaning a surprise attack by people lying in wait in a concealed position. Synonyms: ambuscade, snare, pitfall, surprise, also surprise, trap. 3. Allude. 1. Meaning mention without discussing at length. Synonyms: hint, imply, indicate, infer, insinuate, intimate, suggest. 4. Subsequent. Adjective. Meaning coming after something in time, following. Synonyms: after, ensuing, later, posterior. 5. Garner. 1. Meaning gather or collect something, especially information or approval. 6. Squabble. Noun. 6. Squabble. 6. Squabble. 6. Squabble. Noun. Meaning a noisy quarrel about something trivial. Synonyms: roil, bicker, brawl, contretemps, controversy, crossfire. 7. Ascertain. 1. Meaning find something out for certain, make sure of. Synonyms: discover, find out, get on to, hear, learn. 8. Alacrity. Noun. Synonyms: brisk and cheerful, readiness, eagerness. Synonyms: amenability, gameness, goodwill, obligingness. 9. Abeyance. Noun. Meaning a state of not happening or being used at present. Synonyms: suspension, remission, dormancy, quiescence. 10. Envisage. 1. Meaning to imagine or expect something in the future. Synonyms: foresee, envision, contemplate, visualize. Visualize.